Hello everyone, this is Amit Don and Walking Lady,
Hi everyone.
and we are on Railay Beach on and Krabi, and we are doing a quick beach walk from one side to the end. So this is one part of the Railay Beach, and on the other side, I believe that's the east side. There's another beach, and then here, this is where actually you land when you if you're taking boat from Onang, and that's kind of right around there.
Yeah, where the
And
boats are.
yeah, where the boats are, and this is the beach, like small beach, not too far. So we're just going to cover walking the beach here in this video. Oh, all of a sudden no noise again.
Yeah, it's wavy.
Yeah, so it's a hot day, but I think it's because of wind, it doesn't feel that bad. And you can see lots of people are sunbathing.
Yeah, and they are staying for long.
They are staying for long and they're getting tanned.
Yeah, they want that color tan.
Yeah. And good thing the sun is little low now, because we were thinking if we should do this walk because of the high heat. But sun is not bad right now. So we found a lot of people are trashing on the beach. There are like lots of plastic and other objects on the beach, which shouldn't be. So a lot of people are actually not mindful when they're using beach.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I noticed too.
Okay, we have to move to the left more.
Lots of plastic containers of the drinks there, the tourists are drinking.
Yeah.
So lots of plastic are just on the sand.
Yeah.
So we had lunch here,
Yeah.
and we ate at the Railay Beach Cafe, and the food was great. I and Amidon, we had three items: sticker rice, and then sticker rice with mango, and then Amidon ate fried rice, okay, and I ate grilled chicken
Grilled chicken. Yeah.
and rice also, and smoothie,
Yeah.
mango smoothie. And the mango was really taste good because the mango was really good because of the pureness
Yeah. Yeah.
of
Because
the
it's real squeezed mango
yeah.
juice. It's not like mango drink made of sugar and water. It's like real mango juice.
Like there's powder in it.
So some guys are playing soccer. One second. I'm gonna show that side now. So that's where we came from, and you can see a lot of people are sunbathing on the beach. And I think these are resorts.
Yeah.
They're very
Looks
nice
like
by the beach. Yeah,
they're so close to the water.
yeah. Actually, if we had time, we should spend here one or couple days. Then just relax and do nothing.
Just eating and
Yeah.
just eating and videoing.
Yeah,
See here, there are plastic.
yeah. See here, they're like plastic, plastic.
Here,
And you can see there people sunbathing there.
and this boy has plastic. I think he found this plastic.
Oh yeah,
That container. Yeah,
he's
he found it.
yeah.
And now it becomes his toys.
Actually, this is the restaurant you ate, the
The Railay Beach.
Railay Beach Cafe.
Yeah.
Here, that's the
Railay Beach
restaurant
Cafe.
we ate. So we're going to our boat, which is right there, and we're going back to Onang. Due to heat, we feel tired.
You
And
know, I mean, when I was doing my video alone, I was stuttering. I'm so sorry, guys. I was stuttering in that video, okay? Because I think I was tired also, and I don't know what to say already.
yeah,
Yeah.
so these limestone cliffs make the area unique, and that's what makes the beach look so beautiful.
And popular.
Yep. So here you can rent, like, kayaks, and then you can do kayaking, and a lot of people are sunbathing there. And I think it's a resort, Sand Sea Resort.
Yeah. Fancy resort.
Yeah. Oh, they're trying to put him in the sand.
They're playing. So that is where the boats were going to ride.
Yeah, I think
going back to
I think that's our station
yeah
to go back.
to Ona.
Yeah. Watch.
Big kayak.
So there's another restaurant here, and there's another resort.
Sunset Bar.
Yeah.
This is where we started the walk, earlier.
Oh, that's what the mistake we made.
Yeah, that's what the mistake.
Yeah.
Our mistake.
Yeah.
So I think we have to line up because they need 9 people to get to the boat.
Yeah, I think we have to find out where to line up and who's going to take us back to Onang.
So I think this one just got here,
Just landed?
Yeah, they just landed. So
Okay.
look at how they are going to get off the boat.
So they're going to get soaked
Yeah,
because there's no, like, dock or anything.
yeah.
So they have to kind of like
Climb the stairs.
yeah, they have to go through the water. So that's something to think of when you are coming to Railay Island,
Yeah.
and you have to dress accordingly.
Yeah, don't dress like fancy dress.
Yeah, if you
See,
dress
the guy is already putting he put the
that's
stairs.
the stairs. That's where
and
they
then
have
the
to.
customers has
But
to
I think this is
climb.
not bad. I think we were a little bit deeper,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it was
Yeah,
deeper.
this is not that bad.
This is very shallow.
Yeah.
I am nine.
Huh?
I am nine.
You what?
I am nine.
So we're just going to wait a little bit, and he's going to put the anchor in the sand, and you can see that they are going to come out now.
Yeah,
Yeah, they didn't get soaked that much. We got soaked more than this. Oh, what's this?
Slipper.
Oh, slippers. So, guys, this is the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.